I'm Sergey Lebedev, the VP of Products at ROGII. 2025 was a huge year for us. We launched Solar Data Factory as part of Data Manager, giving users access to public wells across the US and Canada. In StarSteer, we added completions, property mapping, and geomodels on Solar Cloud, further growing our geoscience presence. DrillSpot grew with new tools for drilling engineers, such as anti-collision calculations and drilling metrics analytics. Starlight got correlation panels in the web version and time series view in the mobile app. We also reimagined 𝗥𝗢𝗰𝗵𝗫, linking mud logging to StarSteer and Starlight, and made SolarFeed the central hub for moving data in and out of Solar. In 2026, we're giving our products more independence. Users will be able to start in Data Manager or DrillSpot without relying on StarSteer, while collaboration across disciplines in Solar will only grow. Our releases are getting bigger, faster, and more connected, and I can't wait to see what our users do next year.